Tomorrow they are calling for 40 degrees. Put my glove back on. My fingers are already freezing. Feed the chickens. Calling for 40 degrees tomorrow, and then a winter snowstorm Wednesday and Thursday. It's gonna get dark because I'm going into the chicken coop. Try and get everybody fed this morning. So I just had to go water and let them up tonight. Because Paige works in the evening. So I got Eloise tonight. Bob said he might be coming home late, which is kind of sucky because it's his birthday. So, okay, let's get... Wow, my fingers are freezing, guys, and I got gloves on. Let's get these guys fed. And then I gotta go inside and finish an Etsy order that came in. For some of my coffee mugs. Thank you to whoever ordered. It helps out a great deal. Okay, I'm gonna get these guys fed. Try and do it one-handed. Okay, it worked out better than what I thought. Okay, we got the water, they got food. We'll just feed the silkies. And I can go in where it's warm. Okay, my last video, guys, I told you I got a P.O. box. So, it is in CraftyWithIt's name. That is my business name for doing my personalized products. So, I was thinking, I know I don't have a whole lot of subscribers yet, but if anybody wanted to send Bob a get well soon card, that would be great. He goes in for his surgery February 21st, and I'll put the P.O. box number down in the description, and I'm sure it would brighten up his spirits a little bit, because he's not one to be down for any length of time, and they're telling him at least 8 weeks. I've been feeding the silkies now. Oh. Get these guys fed. They still had a little bit of food, so which helps out. It would help even more if the chickens weren't sitting in it. Okay, so that's done. Gotta be really careful because the other day, right after I videotaped actually, last Thursday actually, I slid on ice and landed on my keister, and I think I bruised my tailbone. So I'm not getting around as fast as I should be, and I really couldn't help out with processing the pig yesterday. So I want to give a big shout out, thank you to my sister and Al, because they came over and they helped out, as well as my dad. Even though it's bitterly cold out here, guys. My nose is starting to run and freeze. It's that cold. Okay, I am going to head back in again. If you guys want to send them a get well soon card, that would be greatly appreciated. And we'll remember to put the P.O. box number down below in the description. So, have a great day, and I'll see you next time on Life on the Farm.